In a Viking village called Berk, life revolves around one constant: the fight against dragons that steal their food. Here, killing dragons is everything. The fiercer the creature, the greater the prestige one gains. Stoick, the vast leader of the clan, is a formidable warrior who excels in battle against these creatures. Enormous, tough, and respected by all, Stoick can take down dragons with his bare hands. However, he has one problem: his son, Hiccup. Skinny, clumsy, and lacking combat skills, Hiccup always tries to help but ends up making things worse. During a dragon attack, while young people his age, including Astrid, whom he has a crush on, participate in the defense, Hiccup works in Gobber's workshop preparing tools.